Congratulations! Your Power AirFryer Oven has arrived. Now, let's take it out of the box and make sure you have all the accessories, guidebooks, and recipe books. First, open the box and remove the packing material. You will find guidebooks, the Quick Start Guide, and the Owner's Manual. You will also find 3 separate cookbooks: America's #1 favorite fried food recipes revealed, Rotisserie Mastery Cooking Guide, and Dehydration Creations. Next, you will want to take out the Power AirFryer Oven unit. It is important to remove all tape and plastic packing material. They kept it safe in the box, but they do not belong on the unit anymore. You will also find the rotating rotisserie basket, the rotisserie bar, 2 rotisserie prongs, 10 skewers, 2 rotisserie wheels, the drip tray, and 3 shelves for dehydrating and air frying. Again, remove all tape and packing materials. If you have all of those parts, you are ready to get started with your Power AirFryer Oven.